I had two random drawers in my basement and I wanted to make something useful with them. On one drawer, I began by sanding the drawer inside and out. Then I painted the fronts and sides of the outside using chalk paint. I stained the inside, bottom, and sides with Minwax Early American. When the stain was dry, I stenciled inside the drawer using the same colored paint that I used on the outside. Once the stencil paint was dry, I applied wax to the entire drawer. If you didn't want to stencil, here's another option. Begin by priming the inside sides and bottom of the drawer. I taped off the outer edge using painter's tape. Then I primed the edges. Once the primer was dry, I painted the inside sides and about an inch of the bottom. I removed the painter's tape along the edge and stained the outside, front, and sides. For the inside bottom, I measured and cut a piece of printed poster board to fit. I sprayed adhesive on the bottom and laid the poster board, smoothing it into place. I wanted to hang the drawers, so I attached a flush mount hanger to the back. For a tight space or taller items, you can hang the drawers vertically. Or you can turn the drawer horizontally to use in your kitchen or your bath. Or you can stack two drawers vertically for a unique bookshelf. I hope this inspires you to look at drawers in a whole new way.